What's going on, you guys? Thank you for tuning up again. My channel every single Monday. Now we're about to go to Winn-Dixie and get some groceries. So we're gonna get kale, beans, quinoa, sprouts, broccoli, and spinach. What's going on, you guys? So we finally made it back from Winn-Dixie. We grabbed broccoli, kale, spinach, quinoa, and some beans. And I'm gonna make a nice high protein veggie bowl, which is gonna be off the chain. Sometimes during the weekend, I tend to lay off the meat and incorporate more veggies, more greens into my meat. Observation that I did on my past body, I feel like I was eating too much and not digesting the food properly in my stomach. So that's why I love incorporating greens into my meals. Like Saturday and Sunday, I like to incorporate more, even though I eat it throughout the week normally, but I'll just incorporate more and just stay off the protein on the meats during the weekends. So that's why I took this approach to see how my body reacts to it, and it's doing pretty fine. I'm getting all the nutrition that I need. I'm getting my protein, I'm getting my vegetables, my vitamins, my enzymes. I'm getting everything into my meals, and I'll stay off the meat during the weekends, just so my body could reset, all my immune system could reset, and just cleanse out what I had in the past week, so I can start on Monday fresh. Monday to Friday, I'm always eating good, chicken, steak, all that stuff. Look at this. You got your quinoa, you got your broccoli, you got tomatoes, you got your beans in there, you got your kale, and you got your spinach. That's it. Simple as that. Weekend grind.